which is given there. This is the chapter number 9. In the coordination compound, cisplatin. This is a cisplatin which is given there. Cisplatin, that is a platinum which is surrounded by the how many ammonia? There are two ammonia and there are two chlorines which are given there. So this is an example of the coordination compound. So this cisplatin, which is the platinum, which is a platinum which is a central metal, and these two ammonia and these two chlorine, these are the ligands. These are the ligands. What is our central metal? Platinum, which is our central metal. And across of this platinum, how many ligands are there? There are four ligands which are given there. So all these are the acting as the ligand, and this central part, that is Pt. Pt means platinum. Platinum, which is the transition element. Platinum, which is our transition element, and this metal which is surrounded by the four ligands. Out of these four ligands, there are two similar ligands. These are the ammonia, NH3 and NH3. These are the similar ligands. These two chlorines, these are also similar ligands, chlorine, chlorine. That means there are four ligands which are the surrounded to the central metal. So in this case, platinum, which acting as the Lewis acid, platinum which acting as the Lewis acid in this case. Now what is the Lewis acid? This is the Lewis acid. This is the Lewis acid which is given there, and all these ligands, these are acting as the Lewis base. What these are acting as the Lewis base. That means all these four ligands, which are these? Ammonia and chlorine. Two ammonia and these two chlorines, which are acting as the Lewis base, and central metal, that is the platinum. Which is the central metal? Platinum, which is our central metal. This is the platinum which is acting as the Lewis acid. Now what is the Lewis acid? What is the Lewis base? Lewis acid, which is a acid which accepts lone pair of electrons, which accept lone pair of electrons. In case of the Lewis base, there are four Lewis bases which are the given there. Out of these four Lewis bases, all these are acting as the Lewis base. What is the meaning of the Lewis base? Lewis base, that means which donates electrons. Donates electrons. So how we are writing this structure in simple form? Let's we write here structure in the simple form. So this is the structure we are trying to write down there. Okay, this is the platinum, which is surrounded by the how many ligands? There are four ligands which are the given there: NH3, NH3, Cl, and Cl. So this is the structure which is given there. But in this structure, all these ligands which donates electron to the central metal. Arrow indicates. Now what is the meaning of this arrow? This arrow indicates electron pairs which are the donated from the this ammonia, which donates electron to the platinum. Platinum, which is our central metal. This ammonia, which is arrow directed towards the platinum. हा arrow कुठं आहे? Towards the platinum. That indicates ammonia which also donates electron to the platinum. Platinum, which is our central metal. This chlorine, which is also donates electrons to the central metal. This arrow indicates, this arrow direction indicates this Lewis base which donates electron to the platinum. Platinum, which is our central metal. Chlorine, chlorine, which is also acting as a Lewis base in this case, because chlorine which donates lone pair of electron to the central metal. Central metal, that is our platinum. Central metal, that is our platinum. That means all these ligands, which are the ligands? Ligand means central metal surrounded atoms or group, these are known as the ligands. सेंट्रल मेटलला जे एवढे काय असतील ॲटम्स किंवा ग्रुप, आपण ह्यांना सर्वांना काय म्हणतो? दीज आर द लिगँड्स. and this central part always known as the metal. This is the central metal. So this central metal in this case which acting as the what acting as the, yes, in this case central metal which acting as the, in this case which acting as the Lewis acid, which acting as the Lewis acid, already सांगितलेलं आहे मी ते. Platinum which acting as a Lewis acid. This ammonia, this chlorine, these are acting as the Lewis base. This chlorine which acting as the Lewis base. Lewis acid means which accepts lone pair of electrons. Lewis base means which donates lone pair of electrons. ॲरोन लक्षात येत असेल तुमच्या. हा ॲरो कुठं आहे बघा, डिरेक्टेड टुवर्ड द सेंट्रल मेटल. ह्या ॲरोचं इंडिकेशन काय असणार आहे, काहीतरी त्याकडे जात असणार आहे, बरोबर आहे का. हे अमोनियाकडून इकडं ॲरो दाखवला आहे, ह्या क्लोरीनकडून इकडे दाखवला आहे. याचं मिनिंग काय आहे, काहीतरी याच्याकडे येत असणार आहे. फ्रॉम द क्लोरीन, फ्रॉम द अमोनिया, दिस फ्रॉम द अमोनिया, फ्रॉम द क्लोरीन. That means 100% there is a movement which indicates. This movement indicates electron migration. In this is the, there are 4 ligands which are the surrounded to the central metal, and this whole structure which is known as the coordination compound. This whole structure which is known as the coordination compound. Are you understand what is the meaning of the coordination compound?